second day in Tehran, and I just haven't been really doing anything much and just have been observing, watching the people, and I'm going to stay with a couchsurfing host and we'll see what we're going to do today. Yay! Hi guys, I'm staying with a new friend.
I'm Masi from Iran. And I'm cooking some Iranian food named adasi with lentil.
Okay. And Masi is also hosting another two travelers. Would you be okay to say hi?
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Tim?
Where from, Tim?
I'm from the Netherlands and hitching to India.
How long are you going to be traveling for in Iran?
In Iran, I think around 3 weeks, but in total, I think almost a year.
This one is... Hi.
I'm Theo from Belgium. I'm traveling with Kim to India.
Okay.
And then going to Australia.
Oh, okay. And you'll be traveling in Iran for 2 weeks, yeah?
Or 2 weeks.
2 weeks, around 2 weeks. How long have you been hosting in general?
Couchsurfing? It's about 2 years. I hosted, I don't know, 50, 60 people.
Do you enjoy that?
Yeah, a lot. Actually, it was a way that I learned English.
Do you have advice for people who wants to host?
Actually, it's a bit like visiting those countries that you host these people. Because you can
Exchange stories, yeah.
stories and culture.
Yeah.
They give me many information how I can travel like cheap and for a long time. That always was really useful.
That's great. I am now walking towards the metro and I'll be trying to figure out how to get around and to actually show a little bit highlight of Tehran. I've been just in an awe of the buildings, everything actually, so I have to push myself a little bit to see around. I know it's my first time, so I don't want to push harder, but let's see. We have just arrived at the TEHRAN BAZAAR. It's located in far north of Tehran. And I'm quite speechless though. Just bought a scarf from, what's your name?
Kambiz.
Kambiz. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. You from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
No discount?
Yes. No, sorry.
No discount, why? It's alright. We're currently at Tehran Bazaar, which is the biggest bazaar in Iran. It is located in the central of Tehran, different from the one that we visited before. It's crazy. Like, if you want to see the crowd, then come to this place, and people are just doing this and that. So yeah, it's quite interesting to see, to also even people watching without having to shop. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!